Welcome to Dhruva's Talks. Today we are going to know about the missile man who ignited young minds. Because of his discipline, dedication to work, and nationalist thinking, he always inspired the youth of the country. Yes, it is none other than Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam lives in the hearts of the Indian people, known as Missile Man of India and People's President, and he was a great scientist who made many new inventions. He was the former President of India, born on 15th October 1931 in Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu, although he died on 27th July 2015 in Shillong, Meghalaya. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam was indeed the first legend for the youth of the country. He has inspired the new generation of the country through his whole life, career, work, and writing. He was a scientist and an aerospace engineer closely associated with India's missile program. Later served the country as the country's 11th president from 2002 to 2007. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam will remain one of the finest human beings to have ever lived. He lived a memorable and successful life, and his legacy will continue to inspire people around the world in the coming years. Below is a list that tries to do justice to his numerous achievements. After graduating from Madras Institute of Technology in 1960, Mr. Kalam joined the Defence Research and Development Organization (DRDO). He designed helicopters for the Indian Army, but he always said he didn't feel at home at the DRDO. In 1969, he got the government's approval to expand the program by including more engineers and scientists. After he was transferred to the Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO), Mr. Kalam worked as the project director for SLV-3, India's first indigenous satellite launch vehicle. SLV-3 successfully launched satellite Rohini to orbit on July 1980. From then, Mr. Kalam expanded India's space program. In the 1980s, he led India's missile program. Under his leadership, India became a major military power after the successes of Agni and Prithvi. He was the chief scientific advisor to the Prime Minister and the Centre of Defence Research and Development Organization from July 1992 to December 1999. He was a great man who was honored with awards like Bharat Ratna in 1997, Padma Vibhushan in 1990, and Padma Bhushan in 1981. Indira Gandhi Award for National Integration in 1997. Ramanjuan Award in 2000 has gone. King Charles II Medal in 2007, International von Karman-Wings Award in 2009, Hoover Medal in 2009, etc. As President, Mr. Kalam personified dignity and optimism throughout India and abroad. His stirring speeches at the UN and the European Parliament are among the best ever delivered. His simplicity in oration and action were applauded and made him dear to all. After the completion of his term as president, Mr. Kalam became a visiting professor, launched many initiatives for the youth development. Wings of Fire and To India 2020 are modern classics and have motivated millions of Indians. His books envision his dream of India as a superpower with Indians as innovative and unique in their thinking. His speeches, books, works are all the legacy of a man who spent all his life trying to make the world a better place. Dream, dream, dream. Dreams transforms into thoughts and thoughts result in action. This was one of the inspirational messages given to children and the youth of our country. Hope you liked the information. I will catch up with you guys in my next video. Thank you.